Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So in today's video guys, we will see another tutorial for ChatGPT. So in our previous tutorial, we have seen how you can use ChatGPT to search on your internal database, and what we were doing in that, we were trying to create a SQL query from ChatGPT, and then we were executing that on the SQL Server. So now this is the second approach that we will discuss today, and in this what we will do is, so first I will show you a bit the data. So here is this table, employees table, and I have some random data in this. So as per requirement, what we have to do is we have to search on this data and let ChatGPT answer questions based on this data. Okay, so for this purpose, what we are doing currently is, so whenever anyone search the prompt, and then what we will do is we will be getting the data from the database from the table, and we will be serializing the data. So here you will see we are getting all the data from the table and serializing it, and then we are passing that to the chat gpt prompt, and it is like based on the content which we will pass, and then answer the question whatever the user will ask. So in this way what we will do is we will pass the data and then ask for the answer from ChatGPT. Okay, so now we will just run the UI. Okay, so now so suppose show employees from HR department. So now this is a general language prompt, and now what ChatGPT will do, we will pass all the data to the ChatGPT, and then it will get all the employees which are having the HR as department. Okay, so you can see it has got these names from the this table. Okay, now you can search different type of questions, like you can show employees having B blood group, because that is also a column. So here it will see, you will see that it is showing the employees that it found with the uh, B blood group. Okay, so now it is basically searching the data on the database, and now the main problem with this is, like here currently we have like small dummy records, like 44 records only. But in case suppose here are like 1000 records, then we cannot pass that all data to the chat gpt, because there is a limitation on the content that you can pass to chat gpt. You cannot pass unlimited data to that, so that's why it will not work in long term. So basically for that purpose we created this another tutorial where we were um, asking ChatGPT to create a SQL query, and then we were trying to execute that on database, because that is a like more practical approach when it comes to a larger level. So still if you want to try this way, then you can try and let us know your feedback. So you can just pass all the data and ask for the answer from ChatGPT. So this is it guys, and let us know if you face any kind of issue. Thank you.